Hello, small business owner that serves local customers. Maybe you've heard the big secret that local SEO is important for your small business. But what if you haven't figured out why? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to explain why you should be focusing on local SEO for your small business. Now, in some other videos I've mentioned that sometimes SEO isn't the best digital marketing channel for your business, so definitely think about that. But if you serve local customers, then you need to be thinking about local SEO. That doesn't mean you need to be paying somebody to do your SEO. It doesn't mean it needs to be your top channel, but you should be thinking about it. So why is local SEO important for your small business? Well, it comes down to the SEO formula. If you look right here, you see the purpose of SEO is to rank higher. That's what it's all about. See, here's the thing. When people are looking for your business, they're looking for something like cabinet maker, Atlanta, Georgia. And if you're not showing up on the page for cabinet maker, Atlanta, Georgia, then none of this matters. So the first thing we have to do is show up on that page. Notice that's not even on the graph. We need to take care of that. And be sure to check out the perfect SEO titles video because that will help you show up on the right page. But once we're on the right page, then we want to start to rank higher because that makes it more likely for people to see us on Google. Remember, Google is the most popular search engine. Whether or not they're a monopoly is kind of besides the point, but that's where over 90% of searches go through. So if we rank higher, then we're more likely to be seen on Google. The more people that see us on Google, well, you see, that's where the magic starts to happen because now we're going to start getting traffic on our website. Ooh, we like traffic because traffic means there's people visiting our site. They're learning about our services. They're learning about what sets us apart from the competition. They're reading testimonials. They're seeing how great your small business is. This is amazing. And that's usually when they turn into a lead. Now, usually for businesses of this caliber, it's a contact form submission or maybe just a direct phone call, maybe an email, but we love to get more leads, right? And then the last thing is they turn into clients. Happy days, right? If we could all get more clients, wouldn't we be doing better? Well, until we get too many clients, but that's probably a systems problem, which we won't cover in this video. Now, you may be rightfully wondering, well, Sam, not all leads turn into clients, and not all traffic turns into leads, and not all views turn into traffic, and and just because we're ranking higher doesn't mean people are even going to see us, right? They might not scroll down enough unless we're ranking first. Totally valid points, but I don't want you to get lost in the weeds. I just want you to take this away, that this is the local SEO formula. This is why local SEO is a proven strategy. If it's the future and we have multiple search engines that we need to optimize for, it's still the same formula. Just replace Google views with Bing views or Search GPT views or whatever the heck it is. But the key is we want to rank higher so that way more people see us and then we get more TLC, traffic, leads, clients. Okay, now there's a little bit more to that. We want to make sure we're targeting the right keywords with the right pages, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about in the rest of this series. By the way, this is a video that's part of the series Small Biz SEO Basics. The next video's right here, and so make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video so that way more small business owners like yourself can start rising the ranks. Don't worry, they're not your competition, so you can hit that like button. If you have any questions about the SEO formula, feel free to leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to respond. And in the meantime, check out that next video and I'll see you in that one.